simplify the expression 2 over the cubed root of 5. Now, to simplify this expression, we're going to remove the radical from the denominator. So let's multiply this fraction, both numerator and denominator, by the same quantity, something that's going to get rid of that cubed root. So let's multiply the top and the bottom by the cubed root of, I'm going to choose here 5 squared, or you might say 25. Because when we multiply 5 times 5 squared, that creates 5 to the third power. We can take the cubed root of 5 to the third power. Now, whatever we do to the denominator, do the same in the numerator. Here we're just multiplying by a factor of 1, not changing the value of anything, but it will change the way it looks. Write that numerator next as 2 times the cubed root of, I'm going to go ahead and square the 5 and call that the cubed root of 25. Now in the denominator, we have the cubed root of 5 times 5 squared. That's the cubed root of 5 to the third, which takes us right back to 5. We've simplified this expression by rationalizing the denominator. The simplest form reads as 2 times the cubed root of 25 all over 5.